Today I am reviewing the HP 17-inch Business Laptop 2025 Thanksgiving Limited Edition. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP 17-inch Business Laptop 2025 Thanksgiving Limited Edition is a powerhouse built for professionals who need a combination of performance, screen real estate, and modern features. With its 17.3-inch full HD IPS Anti-Glare display, this laptop delivers a stunning visual experience, making it perfect for multitasking, extended work sessions, and productivity tasks. The wide viewing angles and vivid color accuracy ensure that whether you're editing documents, analyzing spreadsheets, or streaming video, every detail is sharp, vibrant, and easy on the eyes. At the heart of this machine is the AMD Ryzen 5 7430U processor, featuring 6 cores and 12 threads with up to 4.3 GHz turbo boost. This translates to smooth, responsive performance for demanding tasks, from running complex business applications to light content creation. Coupled with integrated AMD Radeon graphics, the laptop also handles multimedia effortlessly, delivering crisp visuals for presentations, videos, and even casual gaming. Compared to Intel's Core i7-1355U, this Ryzen 5 CPU actually provides better efficiency and multitasking capabilities, making it a smart choice for professionals who need speed and reliability in one package. One of the standout features is the preloaded Windows 11 Home with AI Copilot. The dedicated Copilot key allows users to access AI-powered assistance that streamlines daily workflows, automates repetitive tasks, and helps optimize your productivity. From drafting documents and generating insights to quickly finding files and managing schedules, this AI functionality makes the HP 17-inch laptop a truly intelligent workspace. When it comes to memory and storage, this laptop excels. With 64 GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking is smooth and seamless, even when running multiple heavy applications simultaneously. The 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, rapid file access, and ample space for large projects, multimedia, and business-critical files. Whether you're working on extensive spreadsheets, storing high-resolution graphics, or maintaining large databases, this laptop can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Connectivity and usability are equally impressive. The laptop comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, offering reliable wireless connections for work-from-home setups or office environments. The 720p HD webcam with privacy shutter, combined with dual microphones, ensures crystal-clear video calls and meetings while keeping your privacy secure. Additionally, it includes a WOWPC recovery USB for system repair and troubleshooting, providing peace of mind in case of unexpected issues. AMD FreeSync technology enhances the display's fluidity, making scrolling, animations, and visuals smoother and more enjoyable. Design-wise, the HP 17-inch Business Laptop 2025 Thanksgiving Limited Edition is both elegant and practical. Its large 17.3-inch display gives you plenty of space for productivity, and the anti-glare coating reduces eye strain during long workdays. The build quality is robust, and it feels durable without being cumbersome, making it ideal for both office use and remote work. Overall, this HP 17-inch laptop combines powerful performance, massive memory, ultra-fast storage, intelligent AI features, and a stunning display, all in a professional and reliable package. For anyone looking for a business laptop that handles everything from heavy multitasking and AI-powered workflows to immersive visuals and secure connectivity, this HP Thanksgiving Limited Edition is an excellent choice. Whether you're a professional, a content creator, or someone who simply needs a fast, reliable, and large-screen laptop for work and entertainment, this machine has you covered.